हरि ओम। यथा यथा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहं परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Yes, I am here. I am the ultimate universal energy Narayanan. As per the promise given to Arjuna in the Mahabharata war, I have come again on the earth to re-establish Dharma. I want to protect the devotees, to destroy the devils, and to re-establish Dharma. I want to keep the cosmic order and justice. I am the last incarnation of Lord Mahavishnu, the Kalki, who is going to appear on the last part of Kali Yuga. I am the rebirth of Lord Ram, Krishna and Jesus. I hereby promise you that in the coming Mahabharata War 2 and the Third World War, I will not take any weapon in my hands. My Yoga Shakti or mind power is enough to win the war and to re-establish Dharma. Thank you.